day today is our greenhouse flower.
Needs care today. Let's sing a gentle song and save this sunflower.
This dry sunflower needs a cozy new home.
Resting on the shelf, it looked so droopy and needed help. She lifted it gently and placed it in the red wagon bed, safe and sound inside where it can rest its head. Saving a sunflower, oh what a sweet
Scooping
sight.
up fresh dark soil for our thirsty friend.
Sunny light. Saving a sunflower, we help it grow tall. Standing up proud,
Rolling right under the misters for a cool ride.
Pulling the wagon with wheels that go round to the soft brown soil on the smooth shiny ground. Lupi
Filling up the watering can with fresh cool water.
Lupi scoops up fresh dirt with a shovel so small, making a cozy new bed for them all.
These leaves are blocking the water path.
Oh what a sweet sight, filling its day with pure sunny light. Saving a
Clearing
sunflower,
away the
we help it
leaves so
grow
the water
tall.
can flow.
Safe and sound in the garden wall. Lupi saw some brown dry leaves
Turning the wheel to
blocking
guide
up
the
the
water
way.
right
She
here.
pushed them gently side to clear the gray. Lupi's tiny voice goes swish,
Soaking the
swish.
soil bed
Then
until
she
it is
turned
nice
the
and
big
wet.
white wheel with a twist and a spin, letting the cool, clear water flow right in.
Gently placing the sunflower into its new soft bed.
Oh, what a sweet sight, filling its day with pure sunny light. Saving a sunflower,
Packing the soil
we
down.
help it grow
Yeah,
tall.
rescue is done.
Reaching so high where the sunbeams fall.